19-year-old student perished in Manchester car crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 19-year-old Kimarni Clark, a student of 3 Miles River from Westmoreland, died of injuries he sustained in a motor vehicle collision along the Melrose Bypass Road in Williams Hill, Manchester on Saturday, October 23rd. Reports from the Mandeville police are that about 9:15 p.m., Clark was driving a motor car along the roadway when he attempted to make a right turn and lost control of the vehicle, which overturned. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police investigation continues into the incident. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.